He says, when we know that when we sneeze, we say Alhamdulillah. And a Muslim who hears us says, Yarhamukum Allah. But lots of the Muslims nowadays don't know this, nor do they want to learn it. So when we say Alhamdulillah after we sneeze, they just say bless you. Should we say Ameen or thanks in this situation, or what else? As a Muslim, we have to abide by the Islamic rulings. And we have an identity. Those who refuse to adhere to our identity, to our religion, we don't care about them or how they feel. So when I sneeze and I say Alhamdulillah, and someone says bless you or Gesundheit, I look at him and I say, Akhi, in Islam, the Prophet said alayhi salatu wassalam, when someone sneezes, he should say Alhamdulillah. And those who hear him must say Yarhamukum Allah. So your reply should be Yarhamukum Allah. If the man learns this and implements it and thanks you, Alhamdulillah, it's a win-win. If he's arrogant and an ignorant imbecile and he waves his hand and says, I don't care, I just would say Gesundheit or bless you. I don't want to say what you just stated. Don't even reply to him. Don't even look at him. When he says, bless you, don't even reply to him, because he does not deserve to be respected. Such ignorance. Yes, if a non-Muslim says, bless you, say thank you. There's no problem in that. But a Muslim, you have to teach them whether they like it or not.